Hey everybody, today we're making Pico de Gallo and Salsa Verde. Hope you enjoy. So I always make sure that when I buy fresh produce, I wash my vegetables. So my next step was to chop the garlic, onions, and remove the core from the pepper in order to prep it for my next step. While cutting, I make sure I keep my knuckles rolled back, and I also cut away from my body in order to make sure I don't cut myself. After cutting all the vegetables, I lightly drizzled them with vegetable oil, and I also added some of my favorite seasonings in order to give it my own personal touch. You could use chili powder, any type of complete seasoning, adobo, or any other seasonings that you like. So while the vegetables were roasting in the oven, I started my second recipe. So this one was pretty simple. It only took 2 steps: cutting up all of the vegetables in the recipe and adding as much cilantro and lime for your taste.
One eternity later.
So what was baking in the oven smelled so amazing during this process. I took it out, I let it sit for a little while, and I just put it into my blender to blend it all up. So like the last recipe, I added as much cilantro and limes as I saw fit. It ended up being half the bunch, and after that, I just blended it up. So there you have it, guys. Salsa Verde and Pico de Gallo, perfect for any Taco Tuesday. Hope you guys enjoy.